Racing just started. Home run Queen Ray quickly restart. Bungangera in second. Mark Jason Hill. Then next online the legend. Then the inside comes Purple Ribbon. Mr. Slim comes next. In between horses is Blue Angel here. And Beyond Dream Supreme comes next. Then followed by Global Warrior, while Promise is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, now we have Bungangera. Now takes command by about 2 lengths. Home Run Queen in second. Mark Jason Hill is Arias. In between horses, the legend Purple Ribbon is Darren Pip, and in 6 comes Blue Angel. 7, Mr. Slim. Here and Beyond comes next, then followed by Promise. And Arias is Global Warrior, while Dream Supreme now racing in 11th, and they are now entering the home stretch. Bungangera, Mark Jason in Purple Ribbon, now trying to get closer into the last day. Swing for home. Bungangera by about 2 lengths. Mark Jason in Purple Ribbon is on the outside turn. Last 35 meters, we have Bungangera, Mark Jason Hill, Purple Ribbon, and finally the curtain closer. Bungangera, Mark Jason Hill, Purple Ribbon close, Mr. Slim the Legend, and Blue Angel.
Okay, bayang karirista, para po dito sa inyong final race, ang ating pong unofficial leader, yung nabandera nga po at nalamadong numero 3, Bungangera with Renz Ubaldo, at ang masasegundo dyan yung 9 horse Mark Jason Hill. Ating muna po balikan ang replay for your final race.